guys, it's DK388. Welcome back to the final video of the patio extension. Well, I'll show you around the finished results, how much we ended up costing us to do this entire project. So start with the Marshall flags, 91 of them at £4.65 each. And then next is the MOT sub base, 35 bags at £4.20 each. I've got 20mm gravel, 18 at £3.15 each. 10mm gravel at 15 bags at £3.15 each. So then we've got the sharp sand, 36 bags, £2.55 each. And then lastly we got the block pavers at 219 at 47 pence each. And the grand total, including all the miscellaneous items like the adhesive and the plastic tubs, all came to £955.45. Most of the materials we got from our local Wicks depot, all paid for ourselves. Didn't get any sponsorship or anything for this video. Obviously the labour we did ourselves, so there's no charge on that, and all the waste removal we took to our local tip, so there wasn't any additional charge above beyond our pay for our council tax. And that brings the end of the video. Thank you very much for watching. I hope it helps with your DIY project. I'll see you next time.